Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker Soundcore Glow Mini. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now it can reconnect automatically, or you can click it at the device list. Cool. But if it didn't help you, we should make a soft reset. To make a soft reset, just press and hold power button to turn off your speaker, and after that press and hold it again to turn on it and reconnect a speaker. Here we go. Now we did it, but if it also didn't help you, we should remove and add this speaker. So press and hold power button to turn off your speaker, then press the information button or settings. If you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and after that turn on your speaker. Now click on it, and we did it. But if it also didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold. Firstly, we should, of course, turn on the speaker. Now it should be connecting. Here we go. And now, to make a hard reset, just press volume up button and Bluetooth button at the same time for at least 5 seconds. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon. Forget device, forget device. If you have Android, don't forget to click pair new device, and then click on it as the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!